In the lowlands of Creggan there lives a white hare, as swift as the swallow that flies through the air. You may tramp the world over, but none to compare to the pride of old Creggan, that bonny white hare. One clear autumn morning, as ye will suppose, over in golden sun o'er the green mountain rose, Barney Conway came down and he did declare, well, this day I'll put an end to the bonny white hare. So he searched through the lowlands and down through the glens, all among the wild ditches where the white hare did ends, till at last coming down over the heather so fair, from behind the wild thistle out jumps the white hare. Bang, bang went his guns and his dongs he slipped to, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain flew. But his dongs soon came back and it made Barney sigh, for he knew that the white hare had bid him goodbye. And we're some jolly sportsmen down here from Pomeroy, from Cookstown, Dungannon and likewise the Moy. With our pedigree greyhounds we travel from far, and we've come down to Creggan in our fine motor car. Oh, well, into the lowlands these huntsmen did go, in search of the white hare they'd look high and low, till at last Barney Conway from a bog bank so rare shouted out to the huntsmen, there lies the white hare. So they called up their greyhounds from off the green lea, Barney and the huntsmen all jumped high with glee. It was there on the bog bank all gathered around, 7 dogs and 9 men did that poor hare surround. Oh, no wonder that the white hare did tremble with fear, as she stood on her hind legs she would raise her big ears. As she stood on her hind legs with one gallant spring, she jumped over the greyhounds and broke through the ring. Well, that she as it went on, it was a beautiful view, as swift as the wind o'er the green mountain flew. But those pedigree greyhounds, they didn't run far. They came back and went home in their fine motor car. Then there came another man, and you all know him well. His name was McKelly with the bonny black bell. Oh, in search of the white hare today I'll have fun. I'll bet 50 to 1 my black bell will her turn. 5 turns the hare got in from bonny black bell, and the 6th one was given around Gian Hawhe's well. It was there we lost sight of the hare and the dog, and then 10 minutes later came more the black bong. Well, that chase it went on, it was great for to see, the white hare and the black dog both their own light and free, till she travelled to Westcar where she knew the lands well, and to bonny Black Bella there soon bid farewell. Conclude and to finish this rhyme, I hope you forgive me for singing all this while. If there's any amongst you in Carrickmore fair, please drink up a health to that bonny white hare.